Good morning, students. My name is Manpreet Singh. I'm making this video on the behalf of Opera IELTS PTE Patiala. Today's task 2 topic is: do you think that artists like writers, musicians, and painters are valuable to the to society? Right. So it's a direct question, or we can say opinion essay. So definitely, we need to go one side. So here is the intro. The principle of true art is not to portray but to evoke. So it's a general line and that we can add in opinion essay because we have nothing to paraphrase. According to me, artistic personalities are prized possession of the world. So it's my opinion that they are important, right? Because artwork is a source of inspiration and unite the world. So we have two ideas. One is inspiration to the people, and the second is it unites the world, or it bring people together regardless of their age, gender, and nationality, right? So kindly pause video for 40 to 50 seconds and read the paragraph. Okay, let's start with topic idea. Art inspires us to appreciate instinct, improbability, imagination, and pursuit continually for new notion. Okay, so it help us to push our boundaries further, and it inspire us to do more to get something new ideas, right? So elaboration part: when when artists address contemporary issue, they allow their audience to reach a new level of intellectual maturity by responding metaphysically, right? So Suzy Nassif has painted several portraits of people who are revealing a new thought. For instance, the portrait of Hagar the Dreamcatcher revealed a rebellious woman who believes in her own individuality and is pursuing her dream. To audience, the portrait may reveal a strong woman that encourages them to become dreamcatcher too. Right? So it inspires people to come out of their comfort zone and do something exciting. So it is a source of inspiration, right? So let's move to body para 2. In body para 2, we would be talking about second point, which was unites the world, right? So here I'm starting with a little bit referencing to something, right? Instead of giving topic idea straight away, I'm going to give that in complex sentence after the example, or we can say the reference part. The causes play genre such as techno and club. Most of the club all over the world play this kind of music, and tourists as well as local all come together to dance in unison night after night. The same applies to classical and instrumental music. During these events, strangers immediately begin to interact and connect with each other or one another, even when they do not speak the same language. Renowned singers such as Katy Perry, these are some of the names. Okay, they have sold out concert in all part of the world. These concerts take place in countries where very few people speak or understand the word of English. It suggests that main function of music is to bring people together. So definitely it helps to reduce the tensions between different races or different ethnic groups, right? So it is another point why artists are important, why musicians are important to us, right? So, conclusion part: to reiterate, artistic personality motivate their idols to attain their goal. It is for inspiration part. and provide a common platform to bond over. It is for body para too. So generally I have given the summary. That is why they are treasure for our society. So it's my opinion that they are important, they are treasure or exchequer for our society. So it's end of today's video. So thank you for watching this, and if you have any query regarding this, you can contact Opera IELTS PTE Patiala for any query on given numbers, and please do not forget to subscribe our channel for latest videos. Thank you. Stay safe.